Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding ETH on Crypto.com and want to move it to another wallet for better security or to trade on a different platform, you're in the right place. This full guide for 2025 will walk you through the process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your Crypto.com app or website open and your account logged in. Security is key here, so double check that you're on a secure connection, maybe even use two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets section. This is where all your cryptocurrencies are listed. Next, find your ETH in the list and select it. You'll see options like Transfer or Withdraw. Go ahead and click that. It might say Send, depending on the interface updates in 2025. Now, you'll need the wallet address where you want to send your ETH. This is crucial, so copy it carefully from your receiving wallet, like MetaMask or a hardware wallet, and paste it into the field provided. Don't forget to double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. After that, enter the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so keep an eye on those. Ethereum transactions can get pricey with gas fees. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably need to approve the transaction with your PIN or biometrics for added security. Now, sit tight while the transaction processes. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the Ethereum network congestion in 2025. Once it's done, check your receiving wallet to confirm the ETH has arrived. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your ETH. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this, to make sure everything works smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next video.